How to play Telegram videos on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can play Telegram videos on your iPhone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release new videos. Now let's get started. After you open up your Telegram, locate where your video is. So after you find a video that you want to watch, what you'll need to do is initially Telegram has a download option for the video. Tap on the download option in the middle and it should start downloading. After the download completes, you can then simply tap on the video and it will start playing. If your video does not play like this and it's not playing, what you can do is open up the video, tap on the three dots on the top right, and after you tap on the three dots on the top right, let me do that again. Let's go back, tap on the three dots, tap on save to photos, and after the photo's been saved to your photos, you can head to your photos and watch the video. And it's basically that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.